In this video, we're gonna learn how you can add work orders in Hayvee mobile application. So this is a manual way, so let's get started. This is your dashboard. So when you log in, you will be gonna redirected on this page, and then you can simply click on this orders tab. This is your work order list page. So if your company has 1,000 work orders, you can see every single work orders in here. And if you're a field crew, you can only see the work order which is assigned to you. So this is the filter section. You can just click on unassigned to see all the unassigned work order, assigned work orders, in progress, on hold, complete, rework, submitted, paid, cancel, and you can also filter it by priority. So how you can add a work order in it? You can simply click on this plus icon. When you click on it, we have created this form into sections. So this is the first section called client information. Here you can put the client name and the client work order number. So in the previous video, you already know how you can add a client, but you can simply click in here and add a new client if you want to. So I'm gonna add a Guardian Asset Management work order in here. So let me select Guardian, then I'm gonna put one random work order number. And then this is a property address section, which is very important because of course, field crew will gonna visit this property. So I'm gonna paste the address in here. Sorry about that. Okay, now we have a work details section. Here, you're gonna let the field crew know what they need to do at the property. So I'm gonna create a debris removal work order in here. So, okay, so I selected a debris removal work type, and we have some general work type here, but if you are not able to find the work type that you want to put in, you can simply click on this other button and create a work order. Oh, sorry, create a work order type directly in here. Now about the description, I already have a description in here. I can just paste it in here. So this is a special instruction section, which is optional, by the way. But let's see, if you want to give a special instruction to a field crew, maybe don't forget to capture a hot water tank photo, or don't forget to take some pictures of a crawl space. So you can just simply put in here, and it's gonna show up in a highlighted area. So I'm just gonna put like okay. This is the access code section where you can put the logbox code. So I'm just gonna put random logbox code, and then I'm just gonna put a key code. If you have any other access code, this is optional, you can just put in here. Now this is the assignment section where you can set a due date. So I'm gonna put a due date maybe 29th, and this scheduled date is basically, let's see, if the work order is due on 29, but you wanna send the filter on 28 or maybe today, you can like create a scheduled date just to make a note. So if somebody calls you and asks you, hey, we just need an update for a particular work order, you know that this is scheduled for tomorrow, and then you can just let them know. Assigned to, so if you have, let's say, multiple field crew working on a same work order, if this is like very big trash out and you have two field crew working on it, so you can like do a multi-select. But right now I only have one field crew in here. But if you have, let's say, two field crew, then both field crew can upload pictures in it. This is the priority section, simple as that. You can make it urgent, you can make it a high priority or low priority, it's all up to you. Internal notes is basically for the admin and manager. The notes that you don't want to show the field crew, this is only visible to the admin and the manager user type. Work order PDF, I'm gonna select a work order PDF. So like we can see it, but if you want to show the actual work order PDF to the field crew, then they can access the work order PDF directly from the phone. So they really don't need to open their email and look into it. Like they can have everything at one place. This is the additional document section. We have created this. This is basically a drive for that particular work order. So if you want to add some kind of checklist in here, maybe you're securing postings, or for a winterization work order, if you want to add some winterization stickers, you can just add in here and they can basically print it. So we just want to make sure that when field crew is at the property, they have everything in one place. And now you can simply click on create work order, and the work order will be created. So this is the details section. Debris removal trash out. Sorry about that. Details. This is like the details section. Here is the access code, a logbox or a key code. This is the assignment tab, like who this is assigned to. Field notes. Field notes is basically, let's say field crew want to update on a work order, maybe talk with a neighbor, or the property is occupied, or something like that. They can easily put the note in here. And as you are the admin or manager, you can also add notes in here. So if I want to add a note, I can simply add property occupied. But of course, this is a debris removal bid approval, so of course this is not the case, but I'm just adding a note just to give you an example. So here, property occupied, and this is the time and date. Okay. Now, this is a document section. So if you upload any additional documents, this additional documents will be gonna show in here as well, so they can access every single thing. They can simply view it and print it if they want to. So that's how you will gonna see everything at one place. This is the task section. We're gonna talk about this in the next videos, but this is a media section. So if you upload any pictures, you're gonna see all the pictures in here and all the videos in here. This is the admin section. So basically the admin section is where you can make changes. You can change the status, you can reassign the work order, mark the work order complete, look into the history, create a share links and all those stuff. But we're gonna look into this in the next videos. But here you can just simply select the address and just select the status and change the status. You can just reassign the work order to, let's see, other field crew. And this is the invoice section. This is like a one-click invoice generator and a one-click badge generator, but we have a specific video for that, so I'm gonna let you know in those videos. This is the check-in history. We're gonna talk about this later when we start talking about how you can capture photos in Hayvee mobile application. And this is the edit button. In the edit button, you can of course edit the entire work order if you want to make any changes, and just go and save it. Okay, you can also delete the work order PDF and re-upload it again. You can, if you accidentally created a work order, you want to delete it. So in the admin tab, there is a delete work order section. Only admin and manager can delete it. Field crew do not have that option. So you can simply delete that work order if you want to. And so we have created a 14-day rule. So even if you delete it, it will gonna be in your recycle bin for next 14 days, and then it will automatically gonna delete it. So if you want to restore it, you can also restore it. I'll let you know how you can do that. So this is the work order list. This is the work order that we have created. It has a basic information. This is the urgent priority work order due in 2 days, assigned to me. And this is the guardian state management work order field crew, or you can simply open it and look into it. So let's see, if you want to delete this work order, you can simply click on delete work order button, and it will gonna delete that work order. Let's say you accidentally did want to restore it. You can simply click on this icon up on the top, and then you can simply restore it, and you can have that work order back in your queue. There you go. So this is all for today. We're gonna talk about how you can import the PDF directly, so you really don't need to create a work order manually. And we're gonna also learn how you can start taking pictures in next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.